Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of this DOVOH. This is a digital angle finder. This is pretty nice. It is basically as opposed to using a big level, you use this right here. So here I am trying to get this totally level, and you can see it's constantly showing me on the screen. So now I'm too far that way. I need to go back a little bit. And it looks like, I mean, you can see how accurate it is. I'm barely moving it, and it can sense all the way up to the degree. So it looks like somewhere around right there is actually flat. But this does use lasers, as you can see right there on all sides. Also has a very strong magnet on the back, so you could like screw this portion into the wall, and then this is going to kind of stick onto the back right there, so you can mount it onto a wall and get your angles perfectly. Also comes with a nice little carrying kit here with a cutout for it, some replacement pieces, charger, and instructions. Overall, guys, pretty cool and makes it a lot easier than having to drag a level around everywhere. Definitely check it out. Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hair dryer. Click the item on my site, the coupon will auto apply, click add to cart, and there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.